Hello, hi, it's your girl minspie. My people, my lovely people, I did not expect this type of unbox coming here anytime soon, if I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. This is definitely out of my comfort zone, completely out of it, like it's rearing off a cliff. Today I thought, why not share this experience with you guys as well, because it is a strange one, it is an odd one. But I did enter a lot of raffles because I really did want to see how this would look on foot. And then potentially I could get some monies if I don't like how it looks on foot. Without further ado, I'm going to talk too much. Let's get into the video. One thing I'm just going to say straight away. Awesome. Speed. Huh? Speed. I ordered from Hanan. I'll explain that later. One thing I have to say is the box, it came like hello, it came tattered and torn. Like, you know that meme of I think it's like a mod in GTA, and the meme is, oh, when I click next day delivery for Amazon and the truck is just going everywhere, it's flipping, it's turning, like that's, I don't know if they threw this box around, but bro, bro, this is my first time ordering from Hanan, and I must say, the fact that I can just listen, yeah, look, fam, I just tore this thing open with my bare hands. I didn't need scissors, nothing. There is nothing really in it. It's not exactly the perfect size for my box. My box would still be getting thrown around inside here. But it has some breathing space, just nothing to protect that breathing space, like maybe some bubble wrap or some tissue. None of that exists over here. Got your receipt on top. There was a big rant and rave about this new Yeezy box design. So I thought, let's experience this together. Right now it's very underwhelming. Ain't no way this is the flipping box. It's not giving what it was supposed to give. Like I'm not even gonna show you all the sides. Like it's a brown box. Like this is it. This is the box. The only difference I can see is maybe how it's opened and the mechanism, the shaping. Apart from that, this is giving me regular schmegular. Size chart is on the side with a barcode, and that's about it. Okay, it's a little interesting. Okay, just a bit. So you have foam runner together. Foam is on the lid. Runner is inside the box on the side. On the immediate bottom inside the box, we have Yeezy foam runner with a more detailed size chart than what you find on the side of the box. I mean, it's interesting because the box is basically inside out. Wouldn't this be a better idea for a shoe that is inside out? I don't know. Tissue paper is like quite a glossy feel. It isn't like your typical just rough type of, you know, tracing paper. You guys are gonna cuss me. Yeah, someone's gonna come for me because I have cussed these before. I have. Oh child, these are something else. Are we really gonna call it a shoe? Like, I mean, it's a foam runner, but it's not like a slide, but then it's not a shoe. And the colors on this work really nicely together as well. They've got this gray going on, and then they've splattered it with the sand color, and the sand is the other color that these came in. The moon gray totally tops the sand to me. I don't know what anyone else might think, but that's what I believe. We've got several holes by the side. It is giving me more alien wear versatile croc, but it's giving me breathability. Like, I can breathe in this. I know I can. These holes are in the shape of 3 stripes. I love that detail because it still sticks to Adidas branding. Like, I mean, you can't steer too far off it, so that is a really nice detail in there. These 3 holes just remind me of the 700 V2s, and like, I'm not mad at that either because it shows that it wasn't just randomness that they used to make this. They actually put some thought into the holes, the shapes, the positioning on the shoe and everything, so I give them that. Like, that works. The insole is, oh my gosh, it's a beautiful like rubble sole. Like, it's not smooth, it's got like a bump to it. I think that's better for comfortability anyway, because if it was just completely smooth, your leg would be slipping and sliding everywhere. And inside here, just imagine, ladies, you got your fresh white toes with your big toe acrylic, then your foot is slipping and sliding in here. One wrong move and I tell you that acrylic is snapping in the front of this with all the slipping and sliding going on in there. So this definitely gives you more security, it gives you more grip. I love that. This opening can be pulled out. It's not completely rigid, it's quite flexy basically, and the heel being like popped out like this is perfect for just like if you want to just pop on your shoe without having to go and find a shoehorn. You could just literally put your thumb in there, grip it, slide your foot in, snap back, you know. The sole is good, it's textured. I don't feel like I'm slipping and sliding. If I wear this by the poolside, I don't feel like I'm gonna fall down and bust my head open. Like, it gives me security, it gives me grip. And a lot of the times, if not most times, in these type of shoes, slides, slippers, whatever, that is forgotten. We do have these holes in the front, and this is giving me very much alien. Like, I don't know, it's kind of scaring me. I feel scared. But once again, breathability around the whole shoe. Crocs are just like this. Crocs have holes around the whole shoe, and it's just to allow your foot to breathe. That's it. Don't overthink it, don't think too hard. The brush strokes on this, they're used to obviously mimic the moon, but wow, it's really actually quite gorgeous. I never thought I would like these, like, ever. This is just giving me high fashion croc, basically, like high fashion, kind of ugly fashion croc, you know. It's giving me that comfortability. These babies are comfortable. When I mean comfortable, listen, I said go away, mind your business. When you walk, it's very spongy. Like, it genuinely is quite spongy. Like, it's like a nice light pressure when you walk. It's not completely spongy to the point of like your foot feels like it's gonna sink, but it's just a nice light sponge that just feels like, ooh, They are very light but thick and comfortable, and it doesn't look like, you know, any piece of this is snapping anytime soon. It feels like it's gonna be really durable. I'm normally a UK 5 in majority of my shoes. In Yeezys I have gotten a 6, and that's where I'm most comfortable. But with these, I did get a 5. I did watch some reviews and everyone was pretty much the same, saying it's true to size, everything, all of that. If you know that you're in between sizes, even by like a half, go up to the nearest whole number. So if you know you're in between 4 and 4.5, go up to the 5. It is quite snug, and it doesn't, your foot's not going to be slipping and sliding anywhere. Trust me on that one. Just remember, it's not a trainer, it's not a shoe. You cannot take out the insole. You'll be there looking for insole. There's no insole. There's nothing there. These retailed for $75.95, and that is where I got them from. So I got them from Hanon. I did go through a whole bunch of raffles the day before and on the day. I would say I went through about 5-6 raffles, and out of those 5-6 raffles, I entered for 2 different colors on about maybe 3. So altogether, like, I had the chance of give or take 12. Like, I can't say from the top of my head, I don't even know. Everything is a blur. On raffle days, everything is a complete blur. I have no idea how many I entered. All I know is that I had a whole bunch of pending transactions out of my account. Everything pending. I said, please, I'm tired. My bank will think I'm doing fraud. Anyway guys, that is it from me today. I know that this was different from the norm, but we are here together, okay, together to try out new things. You know, we're here to experiment, we're here for trial and error, we are here to work together, okay? Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Talk to me. Do you think these are cute? Do you think these are trash? Would you never buy them? Would you buy them? Did you want to buy them? Did you want this colorway? If maybe you don't have the colorway, you know, maybe you wanted to do a swapsy, like, let me know down in the comments below. Chat to me, talk to me, and please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, all them things there, and I will see you in my next one. Stay blessed, stay sweet, and stay safe.